In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to contact DocuSign support step by step, whether you want to start a live chat, request a callback, or send an email. If you're running into issues with envelopes, login problems, billing questions, or anything else inside DocuSign, this guide will walk you through the fastest way to reach their support team. Make sure to watch until the end so you know all the available contact options. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and practical software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official DocuSign website. You can go directly to apps.docusign.com and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. It's always a good idea to be signed in first, especially if your issue is account-specific, because support may need to verify your details. Once you're inside DocuSign, look toward the top area of the page and click on Support Home. This will redirect you to the official DocuSign Support Center. The Support Center is where you'll find help articles, troubleshooting guides, and most importantly, the options to directly contact the support team. After the support page loads, look for the Get Support button. Click on Get Support to move to the Contact Options page. This section is specifically designed for users who need direct assistance rather than just browsing help articles. Now you'll see multiple ways to contact DocuSign support. The first option is Start a Chat. If you prefer real-time assistance, this is usually the fastest method. Click on Start a Chat to begin the process. You may be asked to select a category related to your issue so that DocuSign can route you to the correct support specialist. Another option available on the same page is Request a Callback. If you don't want to wait in a live chat queue, you can choose this option. Click on Request a Callback, enter your contact information, describe your issue briefly, and choose a suitable time if prompted. A support representative will call you back to help resolve your problem. You'll also see an email option. If your issue is not urgent or requires detailed explanation with attachments or screenshots, clicking on email may be the best choice. Fill in the required fields, clearly describe your issue, and submit the form. DocuSign support will respond to you via email. Now let me show you an example using the chat option. Click on Start a Chat. Once you do that, you'll see a Chat with Us button. Go ahead and click on Chat with Us to open the live chat window. In the chat box that appears, type your issue clearly and with as much detail as possible. For example, you can mention the type of account you're using, the exact error message you're seeing, and what steps you've already tried. The more specific you are, the faster the support agent can help you. After you send your message, a virtual assistant may respond first. Follow the prompts, and if needed, you'll be connected to a live agent. From there, you can continue the conversation until your issue is resolved. And that's it. That's how you contact DocuSign support using live chat, request a callback, or send an email. It's a straightforward process once you know where to click, and now you can quickly get help whenever you need it. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.